Namaskar, Sejanandam. This is Dr. Priya K. Dubey, Professor, Sage School of Management, Sage University, Bhopal. Now, in these slides, I would like to express on human resource management and specifically on nature of human resource management. So, previously we already got discussed about the meaning and definition of human resource management. So, in these slides, nature of human resource management we can easily understood by these all points. The nature of management includes human resource management, includes management process. It's a one kind of management process because it is totally managing the human resource within the organization and they are linked with the outside the organization. That is a universal application in nature because dealing of human resource management is in all over the world, whether the organization may be smaller, medium, or larger. But the universal application of human resource management, because the deals of the human resource is actually necessary within the organization to manage the organization and obtain organizational objective. It is the nature of human resource include it is continuous in nature because once we do human resource management, but it never ends. Whenever the organization exists, the human resource management works is exist because it associated with individual or human being. It is an interdisciplinary in nature because with the help of human resource management, we can connect with the within the organization, within different department as well as the whole organization and the organization towards the whole environment and other organization outside the world. So it is one kind of interdisciplinary functions and it associated all kind of activities and all kind of things which is associated with the individual or organization employees with it. Development of team spirit is also one of the kind of nature of human resource management because the team spirit actually necessary to attain and obtain the organization goal as well as individual goals so that team spirit that means that to work and to perform good tasks within the team and individually as a and work as a team. So human resource management deals with development of team spirit. The nature of human resource management continues. It's a long-term benefit whenever we talk about the human resource and their strategies and managerial functions. So when one function is implemented today, so their results reflects tomorrow or day after tomorrow or in a long time. So it's a one kind long-term benefit we have seen through human resource proper management. It is a dynamic in nature because the human resource management only not only deal within the organization that is deals with the each and every facet of human resource management within the organization work as well as the organization outside toward. So and deals with so many kinds of things like anything else which is related to work or not to work. That is sometimes so many things is personal, but it is a because their impact have seen in their work and the performance. So HRM is is actually associated with dynamic in nature. And another thing is people centric. Human resource management is a people centric because human resource management actually deals and work for human being who works in an organization as well as their lives, different kinds of things associated with human resource management. It's a one kind of strategic function so that it is also comes under HRM nature. It's a strategy function because they are making some kind of strategies for developing their human resource management and for the human resource management comfort to attainment of organization as well as individual organization objective. And another nature of the human resource management is one kind of legal compliances nowadays because without human resource management we could not deal with a human being within the organization and work for the individual organization and attain their organization objective as well as individual objectives. Another nature of the human resource management we can continue with talent management because with the help of human resource management we could actually manage the talent of human resource and the activities what they have done within the organization is actually scattered. So we utilize that kind of talent in different departments and different in different way in different visit. And the nature of human resource management imbibes employees relation, because human resource management works for the employee relation within employee to another employee, one employee to group of the employee, one department to another department, and overall organization with another organization, and the whole atmosphere. So employee relation is also one of the important tasks of the work of the human resource management, and that comes under the nature of human resource management. And the performance management is also comes under the nature of the human resource management, because the human resource management and their strategies actually to judge their to judge individual, and they have been benefited and compensated in forms of the promotion, in forms of the demotion, in forms of salary enhancement and perks what they have given. So that performance management is also one of the judgment criteria of the human resource management. That is the base of compensation management and benefit, because employee works for their benefit. Some benefits relate to the monetary clauses, and some benefit relate to non-monetary monetary clauses. So what they required and what they actually deserve, actually they are judging, and then afterward they make their strategies, and they actually ultimately compensate the employees. And diversity and inclusion is also one of the nature of human resource management, because in an organization there are so many diverse people works. They are different from culture, they are different from languages, and within the MNC organization that is also very much important, because within MNC organization there are so many people works together who belongs to different nations, and their work culture, their religion, their beliefs are totally different. So in that manner, they are work together, but they are actually upbrings allied. So that the nature of human resource management is focuses over diversity, and in this diversity they obtain the objective of organization, inclusion of that kind of diversity for obtaining success of organization. Nature of human resource management is, we can say, it is an integrated function, because it is an integrative in nature, because the human resource management focuses over the integrity of the organization and their employees. That is innovative function, because human resource management by the time and by the requirement they utilize different kinds of strategy and strategies for the obtaining success for the organization and attaining the organization objectives, as well as the responsive in nature, because human resource management is a responsive in nature. Because if the one employee is get some have is gets some kind of having some kind of problem, so they responses and they just got to know about the problem, because of the problem, and trying to resolve it and fix it. So it is a collaborative in nature, because human resource management try to fix all the problem and try to resolve the problem with collaboration, with the help of the collaboration of two people, two department, as well as the different kinds of resolution. So nature of human resource management includes ethical and ethically behavior, that means the fairly behavior to each and everyone. There is no discrimination of the rules and regulations and the benefit within the organization, so that ethically they have to follow their practices. Nature of human resource management is adoptive, because human resource management is adoptive in nature. They adopt the good things and they eliminate the bad things. They eliminate these kind of culture which is not good for the organization, and they adopted things and the culture and the values which is actually benefited for the employees and the organization. And empowering empowerment is also one of the nature of human resource management, because with the help of human resource management, their policies, their managerial practices, the HR human being and the employees realize that they are very empowered within the organization. They will not only work for organization, but they are the pillar of the organization, and they are very much empowered to do something better, and something better in a way to attain the organizational objective. So these are all the nature of human resource management. So with the help of these all points, I can get understand you people what are the natures of human resource management. So in the next slide, we can easily know the another aspect of the human resource management. Namaskar, Sage Anandam.